Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. As you have seen by the title of today's video, it's all about how to maintain that a polished and classy look on a budget every day. I have done a video that I was talking about how to how to look more put together and clean, polished and classy on an everyday. So today I want to tackle how to actually maintain that polished and clean look on this video. If that's more interesting on you, just stay tuned up until the last part of this video. Thank you. Haven't learned all the tips on how to have that a polished, classy look on an everyday. Now let's focus on how to maintain that polished and classy look on an everyday, yes, on a budget. So by tip number one, it will be avoid chipped nails. So there's nothing so wrong like having chipped nails. So chip nails is just a description of who you are. Like, it instantly showcases that you do not care about yourself, or you do not love yourself enough. It gives you that tacky appearance, it gives you that messy appearance. So how do we avoid having chipped nails? So with the internet nowadays, there's just so much endless opportunities we can indulge on. So there's many options and many communities on YouTube that you can learn how to do your own nails without even going to the salon, because we're all about saving those costs but still looking all polished, classy on a budget. So you can learn how to do your own nails. There's just endless ways on how to do your nails. You can learn how to apply some gel polish. You can learn how to do acrylic. You can learn how to do your polygel or using your hard gel. The sky is the limit. If you just put your mind into it, it is possible. How did everyone learn if it's that difficult? So you just have to put away those limitations away from yourself and just try to learn how to do your own nails at home. Besides applying all of those, you can even have your nails naturally looking, very filed, simple, clean, natural nails. Or you can buy some press-on nails and just quickly put on your press-on nails and quickly remove them if you want to remove them. Just have your hands looking clean, classy, and very polished, because here we're all about looking all polished, clean, and classy. My tip number two, it will be avoid wearing wrinkled clothing. Nothing is so unattractive like someone who has wrinkled clothing. Even when your outfit is the best or is beautiful, but when it's wrinkled, it makes you look all tacky, messy, someone who do not even understand or know who they are. So to avoid having a wrinkled clothing, you need to always clean and iron your clothing. Especially you can do this on the Sundays to avoid having to iron your clothes on weekdays. You can iron all your clothes and put them very nicely on your closet, where you will see them and where they will be well packed. Okay. My tip number three, it will be mastering the art of applying the right amount of makeup on your face. The saying says that little is too much. So you don't need to have many layers of makeup, concealers piling up your face. You just need to learn how or master the art of applying the right amount of concealer. Let's say, for instance, you have some dark under eyes. You can just put some concealer. A little bit of concealer goes a long way, and just try and color correct some of the spots that you do not need on your face. just a minimum goes a long way. You do not need to have your face is not even able to breathe, because there's just too much of layers of makeup filling up your face. Practice applying natural looking makeup. I mean, there's just too much videos here on YouTube that can actually guide you on applying that right amount of makeup. You don't need to have many shade on your face. Like, that's so 1990 something. Like, master the art of applying the right amount of makeup on your face. It actually looks so beautiful and accentuates your natural features very well without looking like you're faking it, you know. So tip number 3, it will be avoiding wearing too much jewelry. You know, I don't know, I talk about wearing jewelries here on my channel a lot because I believe that jewelry have the ability to actually exaggerate your look from a lower level to the higher level. But wearing too much jewelry is not it. It's tacky, it's messy, it's not it. It makes you look like don't get me started, but just avoid wearing too much makeup. In actual style, guys, too much of everything is wrong. Too much of everything is wrong. So just stick to wearing those minimum jewelry, your necklace, a simple necklace, your pearls, those simple round gold earrings, they're beautiful, and your simple bracelet. You do not need to look like you are trying to look like something that we don't know how to explain. Simple is beautiful. Simple is everything. Stick to simple. Learn the art of being simple. Simple is beautiful. My tip number 4, it will be taking care of your hygiene. I know that this one may seem obvious, but it needs to be mentioned. Like, it needs to be mentioned. You need to create time to wash your hair. You need to make time that you do brush your teeth twice a day to avoid bacteria and some finger bacteria entering your mouth, because we don't want that onion smell coming out of your mouth, you know. So taking care of your hygiene is one of the most important thing. Whatever that means to you, take care of your hygiene. Wash your body, exfoliate your body to remove all those dead skin cells that may actually clog the smell from your body. Exfoliate your body. You can use a simple scrap of sugar that I believe everyone have that on the carpet, and you can sprinkle some lemon or some honey to make that pasty texture for your exfoliator. You don't need to go overboard or any expensive thing. Just use what you have. Exfoliate your body, wash your teeth twice a day. Remember to have your wash hair days. Remember to also take care of your armpit, your underneath friend under there, everything which needs to be washed and maintained. Take care of your hygiene, no matter how it goes, no matter how the situation is, because no one wants to stand next to someone who possesses some bad smell. It's not a good gesture to, possess towards other people. Tip number 5, it will be know your body type. I cannot stop emphasizing this one, knowing your body type, because I believe each and every woman out there is beautiful at their own way. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. It doesn't matter the color of your skin. It doesn't matter the weight of your body, but knowing the type of the body that you are, it actually is gonna be more helpful in helping you to actually find the clothes that will accentuate or go along well with your body type, because I believe every one of us is beautiful. Every one of us looks beautiful in everything that we wear. So take note and actually study what is your body type and what kind of clothing will go with your body type. Tip number 6, it will be wear fitted clothing. So there's nothing more attractive than a woman who wear clothes that are more accentuating to her body type. It could be a very slimmed skate, dress, and there is nothing more unattractive than a woman who wear clothes that are too tidy to the point where they can't even breathe. It looks tacky. It looks like they have taken their sisters, or they have taken something which doesn't belong to them and try to actually get it on their body. So try to stick to fitted clothing. I know that we all love the fact of wearing our oversized track pants, our graphic tees. They look good, they look sexy on us because I think that's how they are designed to be. But there are certain clothes that they're not meant to be oversized to you. So take note on that and try to actually stick to the cut which is more accentuated to your body type. Wear the clothes that fit you, not oversized. But it depends on the type of cut. Like we have there are some certain clothes that you can wear as an oversized, like as I've already mentioned about the track pants and the graphic tees, and we have our oversized shirt which looks very good on a woman. Those are the kind of wear that you can have as oversized. But as for others, like wearing a dress, wearing a skate which is big, it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So take a pride and take note on that to stick to your most fitted design. Tip number 7, it will be sticking to your skincare regimen. So this one, it simply talks about, let's say you bought maybe you have been using some skincare product, and then you meet a friend who will tell you that, I bought this and it actually works. Not because you really need those products, but just because your friend told you that they work, but you haven't had any issues with your current skincare regimen, but you just wanna interchange because your friend told you that they work. I don't think it's a good idea. If you buy something and it actually works for you, just stick to it, no matter what, no matter who says what. Just stick to it. Don't try and confuse your face with a lot of product going in and out of your skin. So just stick to your skincare regimen and take care of your skin. Wash your face 2 times a day, and the tip that I can give you is to use the 60 minutes rule, which is wrapping the cleanser, any cleanser that you use on your face for 60 seconds. Wash your face, rinse off. And the one that I actually use, I don't wipe my face, I let my face to air dry, because I'm trying to avoid any bacteria that can be found in my face cloth. Moisturize your face, and always apply sunscreen on your face. I don't want any excuses. Apply sunscreen. Whenever you leave your house, make sure that you apply a sunscreen. Whether it's raining, whether it's cloudy, whether it's cold, whether it's sunny, I need you to apply your sunscreen on your face, okay? And thank me later. Tip number 8, it will be avoid ashy areas. So ashy areas could be your hands being ashy, or maybe having ashy feet. It makes you look so untidy. So avoid having those ashy hands by always applying a hand lotion, always carrying a hand lotion in your bag, always for occasions like that. Because sometimes it happens that you left the house in a hurry and you're wearing maybe sandals, and then when you step out of the house, there are your feet looking all ashy like a ghost. But when you have some hand lotion on your body, it is more convenient because you can actually firstly just use that hand lotion just to moisturize your feet, and you got to go for the day. So avoid having ashy areas. It could be your hands, it could be your feet, it could be about anything. Moisturize. You know what they say, healthy people, they look glowy, they moisturize. That's the reason why they look glowy, because they moisturize their skin.
You are bigger than your circumstance. You have the power of the entire universe inside of you, and all you have to do to activate that is tell yourself 1,000,000 times a day that you're great and that life is exactly where you want it to be if you just look forward and push through. You can do it.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you back soon. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press on the notification button. I'll see you soon. Stay strong and stay beautiful no matter what life throws at you. Up until the next time, bye.